Hello students, in this lesson we will know about amines, and in this video we will see the chemical reactions of amines. So first of all we will see the reaction of amines with chloroform. So when the amines reacts with chloroform, then they will form isocyanides which have unpleasant or foul smell. Here is the reaction. You can see benzylamine, that is aniline, when reacts with CHCl3, that is chloroform, and KOH, potassium hydroxide, then the reaction will yield isocyanide, and here we will get benzyl isocyanide. Now we will see the reaction of amines with nitrous acid. Primary amines reacts rapidly to form diazonium salt with nitrous acid, which is unstable and then decompose to give alcohol. So here are the reactions. RNH2, that is the primary amine, when react with HNO2, that is the nitrous acid, in presence of sodium nitrite, NaNO2 and HCl, then the reaction will yield a diazonium salt which is unstable and thus decompose to give ROH, that is alcohol. Similarly, when aromatic amine reacts with HCl and NaNO2, then also they will form a salt, that is diazonium salt, and as a byproduct here you will get NaCl and H2O. So this diazonium salt will be unstable and thus decompose to give alcohol. Secondary amines react slowly in cold to form yellow oily nitrosamines with the nitrous acid. So here is the reaction for this. R2NH, that is secondary amine, when react with HONO, that is nitrous acid, then the reaction will yield R2NNO, that is nitrosamines. Similarly, when aromatic secondary amine reacts with nitrous acid, then they will also form the nitrosamines. While the tertiary amines reacts with nitrous acid to form salt with cold and further decompose on warming to nitrosamine and alcohol. Here is the reaction. R3N, that is tertiary amine, when react with HNO2, that is nitrous acid, then it will form R3NHNO3, that is a salt, which further on warming will form R2NNO, that is nitrosamine, and ROH, that is alcohol. Now we will see the reaction of amines with aryl sulfonyl chloride. So benzene sulfonyl chloride, that is C6H5SO2Cl, which is also known as Hinsberg reagent, reacts with primary and secondary amines to form sulfonamide. Here is the reaction for this. This is C6H5SO2Cl, that is benzene sulfonyl chloride. When it reacts with C2H5NH2, that is the amine, then the reaction will yield sulfonamide. This is the sulfonamide. While secondary amines react with benzene sulfonyl chloride to form N,N-dialkyl benzene sulfonamide. You can see here, this is benzene sulfonyl chloride. When it reacts with secondary amine, then the reaction will yield N,N-dialkyl benzene sulfonamide. Now we will see the reaction of amines with Big Nod reagent. So primary and secondary amines reacts with Big Nod reagent to form alkane. Here are the reactions. You can see RNH2, that is the primary amine, when react with RMGX, that is the Big Nod reagent, then the reaction will yield RH, that is alkane. And similarly, when R2NH, that is a secondary amine, reacts with RMGX, Big Nod reagent, then also it will give RH, that is an alkane. While the tertiary amines does not react with Big Nod reagent. Now we will see the reaction of amines with carbon disulfide. So primary amines reacts with carbon disulfide to form dithioalkyl carbonic acid, which decompose on heating with mercury chloride HgCl2. You can see here the reaction RNH2, that is the primary amine, when react with carbon sulfide SCS, or you can say CS2. Then after warming, the reaction will yield dithioalkyl carbonic acid, which decompose on heating with mercury chloride and will form RNCS, that is alkyl isocyanide, or we can say mustard oil. This reaction is also called Hofmann mustard oil reaction, and it is used as a test for primary amines.